They look similar. They kind of look like radios from the 80s. Listening to Kiss or Cool in the Gang, maybe. Hey kids, today I have got one heck of a treat for you. Stick around. Hey, go ahead, stick around. Yeah, today, you know how Etenwolf sent us their flagship, the S6? Well, I'll tell you what, they have flagshipped their flagship. This is the S7. Yeah, looks a lot like the S6 now. This is definitely beefier. Definitely beefier. Operation, I'm assuming, is the same. It is. Looking at that, yep. We will definitely be discussing all the good stuff. Actually, look right down here. I'll even put up some comparisons to the S6. Now, we went ahead and we got Clyde ready. We flattened all 4 tires. We're going to test this out right now, right here on this Peyton Speed Shop. All right, I had intended to put these in a head-to-head, side-by-side, all that good business competition. The only thing is we are in a heat warning again, and besides, Clyde's junk, and we can use Clyde. Oh yeah, here, hold on. Oh, that's the thing, right? Same thing, take this, plug it in there. Let's do it. This is fresh out of the box. Plug that in there. Same thing. Turn it on. 35 pounds. It's got 5.8 in it right now. You guys see that? Nope. Oh, put it up here. Put it right there. Can you see it? Right there. Okay. Press the button. Here we go. Now, that was fast. From all that jaw jacking and stuff, and by the time I plunked it up there, it was 2 minutes, 59 seconds. And it actually got us right to where it needed to be. So that was at 5 pounds, right, to 35. So that was 30 pounds in a 205, 65, 15. Now let's take it back. Okay, the big tire. Now remember, this is like a 28.5 by 10.5. All right, we'll get this set up. We'll press the button. 4 minutes, 45 seconds to bring this up to full. That's pretty good. We'll do the math once we get done with all of them. Now, if we remember right, when we did all 4 tires on the between Bonnie and Clyde, it was about 18 total minutes. So we're going to check out the other 2, and then we'll do some math. Hey, welcome to the floor again. Now, Clyde has 11.2. See that? 11.2. We're looking for 35. Ready? Here we go. I'll tell you what, that's fast. This thing is fantastic. Yeah, I sing song. All right. Let's hook this bad boy up again. Now this one is flat. Let's see. This one has 4.8 pounds. Now, you can also see the battery's still full. By the time we got to here, we were at half with the S6. So, let's check it out. Can you believe that? Just over 3 minutes. Wow. Oh, and you also saw it was only down 1. So it is, because after all 4, I'll show you. Actually, I'm going to put some, you'll see some clips, or you've seen some clips. There's been clips of the S6 comparison in here too. So you can see how they compare side to side, because I really wanted to do that, just that it's just too dang hot for what I was planning. And by that I mean we're in a heat advisory. So, but 3 out of 4 on there instead of 1 out of 4. So let's go see what we learned. Let me figure out how to speak. Let me figure out the total amount of time spent on airing up all 4 tires on Clyde, and then we're going to talk some specs. I'm not sure what just happened. I tried to hit the button. Welcome to the lounge. Yeah, I'm Chad, your host. It does, of course, give you all the instructions on what to do, which, hey, that's pretty darn cool. Now, something else I want to talk to you about. Now, they look the same, right? This one is green, though. Green instead of orange. This one is substantially heavier. I mean, they're both beefy, but oh my goodness, this is great. The controls, the settings, very much the same. They look similar. They kind of look like radios from the 80s. Listening to Kiss or Kool and the Gang, maybe. Anyway, this only used 1/4 of the battery versus 3/4 of the battery when we did the other test. Now, I went 1 tire to the next, just like I did before, and it took a total of, drum roll, we shaved about 3 minutes off. The other one was about 18 minutes, a little bit more. This was about 15 minutes, a little bit more. So, hey, we shaved off 3 whole minutes, and I hope you've been enjoying the specs that come across the bottom and the clips that have been happening in between. So you guys can really see head to head what the S6 versus the S7. I'll tell you what, if you don't need a small pancake or 1-gallon compressor, don't waste your money. Get yourself the S7. You will not be disappointed. The only thing that got warm, because the integral cooling system, I said it right this time, was the hose. Got a little bit warm. That's it. The hose. And it has the onboard storage just like the other one, and it comes with even the chuck that you can screw into here. I don't know what more you want. I mean, seriously. You need to check out, I mean, look, we've done the 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Plus, we've also tested out their air chuck, the tire inflator, and a gauge. I mean, come on. Etenwolf is a fantastic company. These are quality products. When my in-laws go to Arizona, I send one with them, just in case, because I know it's going to work. Just like this is going to work. Put one of these in your shop or put one of these in your car. I'll tell you what, because first off, it's awesome and it looks pretty. Plus, let's not forget, it is also a power bank right on the back there. And if you don't get one of these, you are missing out. This is fantastic. There is a link in the description, and I don't know why you wouldn't want to have a quality piece of equipment in your garage, in your car, in your house, wherever. So 100% Honest Peyton Speed Shop approved, and you know it. So now that the video is over, go click that link, just get one. Pick one of them and you will not be upset. The S6 or the S7, I'm telling you, but the S7 really showed its advantages today. It only used 1/4 of the battery, where the S6 used 3/4 of the battery, inflating the same amount of tires. So that's it. Hope you've enjoyed this review. And Etenwolf, thank you so much. And I hope we can keep working together, because I really truly enjoy testing your products, and they are fantastic. So hope you had a great weekend or whatever you've been up to, and that's right, keep on wrenching.